Invo Station's flying vehicles stand out not only for their futuristic design, but also for their sustainability credentials. With zero emissions and no dependence on road infrastructure, they offer an alternative to both gas-powered and ground-based electric vehicles. Kayali explains that reducing traffic congestion and road accidents is part of the company's mission to enhance urban living while supporting the planet's well-being. Integral to this transformation is Invo Station's AI-powered autonomous navigation system. The vehicles continuously gather flight data to improve performance, route optimization, and safety. Kayali envisions thousands of eVTOL managed by an intelligent, evolving network capable of preventing collisions and adapting to real-world flying conditions. The more our vehicles fly, the smarter our system gets, he says, hinting at a future where AI-directed skies replace congested highways. As the world grapples with climate change and a rise in extreme weather events, the call for sustainable transportation has become more urgent than ever. With cars and road traffic accounting for a large share of global greenhouse gas emissions, innovators are looking skyward for cleaner alternatives. Invo Station, founded by former Tesla engineer Kayali, has introduced a bold vision for the future, flying electric vehicles designed to revolutionize urban mobility while reducing environmental impact. At the heart of Invo Station's innovation is its electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, including the SCI-FI-inspired Invo Moon. This autonomous vehicle, shaped like a flying saucer, features 12 enclosed precision motors capable of 360-degree movement, delivering smooth, silent, and safe air travel. Designed with redundancy and safety in mind, each motor group works in tandem to ensure uninterrupted operation even in the event of a failure. It offers seating for up to 3 passengers and travels at speeds of up to 250 miles per hour with minimal vibration and a noise level of just 45 decibels. Breaking from the norm of elitist tech, Kayali is determined to make flying EV accessible to the general public. While the Invo Moon is currently priced at around £280,000 or around $350,000, with a pre-order option at £2,000, the company hopes to reduce costs significantly through mass production, potentially bringing the price down to under £50,000. This isn't about luxury, Kayali asserts. It's about solving real problems for real people. The Invo Moon is just one part of a broader lineup. Other models in development include the V3 Invo Earth, a compact 3-passenger vehicle projected to cost $100,000, and the V4 Invo Mars, a 6-passenger family model priced at $250,000. Each vehicle is fully electric and autonomous, offering ranges of up to 300 miles and quick charging capabilities, from 20% to 80% in just 30 minutes. Ultimately, Invo Station's goal is bigger than just selling futuristic vehicles. Inspired by Leonardo da Vinci's 15th-century designs, the Invo Moon is a modern reinterpretation of the aerial